Hi, my name is Khadija. Subscribe to my channel and a big thumbs up. So, for today's video, I'm going to be talking about trees. So, I'm going to talk how to plant a tree. So you need a seed. So you need a seed and you need to plant it. And you can make a wish if you want. And then you need to wait for some time, or it needs to take 2 days or one to plant the trees. So today, and then your tree will become big and full of leaves and everything. You can plant apples or anything in the tree. So subscribe to my channel and a big thumbs up. Bye.
Hi, my name is Malak. I'm going to be talking differently. Well, I'm going to be talking about nature. Nature is has like so much stuff that you can use to survive, make shelter, and trees and all that stuff includes nature. Nature doesn't just have trees. It has a lot of sticks, everything. Stop